How to early layer or market hibiscus plants. First of all, you must cut a portion of the stem below the nodes like this. See? Then you insert a stick like that. I'm using sphagnum moss to cover all the cut layers of the stem.